What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use Copilot 3D to turn a 2D image into a 3D model, even if you don't have any prior 3D modeling experience. First, open Copilot 3D and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look for the option to create or generate a 3D model from an image. Next, upload your 2D image. This works best with clear images that show the object from the front or at a slight angle. Clean backgrounds usually give better results, but Copilot can still work with more complex images. After uploading the image, choose the option to convert or generate a 3D model. Copilot 3D will analyze the image and automatically estimate depth, shape, and structure to build a 3D version of it. Once the model is generated, you can rotate it, zoom in, and inspect it in 3D space. From here, you can refine the model by adjusting proportions, smoothing surfaces, or adding detail depending on the available tools. When you're happy with the result, export the 3D model in a supported format so you can use it in game engines, animation software, or 3D printing workflows. And that's it. That's how you can turn a 2D image into a 3D model using Copilot 3D. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.